This video is how to make a collage on Instagram Story. Launch Instagram on your mobile device. Tap the plus icon on the bottom. Select a story option. If you want a colorful background, not any picture, click on the AA icon on the left column. Click on the sticker icon, the square smiley face icon, on the top. Find a sticker with an image icon with the background of other stickers. All the pictures in your gallery will appear. Choose the desired photo, resize it by pinching. You can also move around and rotate it with 2 fingers. This method allows you to add multiple pictures. You can play around with other stickers like music, polls, and questions to make the collage even more attractive. Once you're happy with the outcome, post it on your story or close friends.